Hello everyone, this is your swing instructor Sarah here. Today lesson is about how to stitch a side pocket with zipper. So one of my student asked me to make a tutorial, so this is especially for her. So I have already a dress, so I thought to put a pocket on the side of it. See, I just open a side of this to attach the pocket. You can do the same with the ready-made for the your upcoming project, new project, and same way you can attach pocket with any skirt, kurti or any dress. So first thing is open the 7-inch opening for the side pocket, and after that you have to cut the pocket fabric, and before that just press it properly, so make sure that everything is smooth. And after that, let me show you how you can cut the pocket to put the inside of this dress. So basically this is between the waistline and hip line. You can see my tutorial how to make basic pattern, and you will know that what is waistline and hip line. So let me start cutting the pocket part. This is the fabric that I have for the pocket part, and see here I'm taking it like almost 7 I need from the upside, and this is actually this way. This is actually 14 inches, and I just marked 7 inches here. So this is the opening of the pocket, and length is 14 inches. So length you can decrease or increase according to your choice, and this is just I mark 7 inches. Again the width again you can make it a little less if you want. After that I'm going to make a straight line of 14 inches. This 14 inches is length, and here I am going to make a curved line because we want to fit our pocket with the hip. That's why we give it a curve. Otherwise you can make it straight, but it will give you not smooth edges. So that's why we give here at the end of our pocket a round shape. And from up also you can reduce. I just take it 7 inches. I am just reducing 1 inch to make it a shape. You can make it more or less, so it's depend on choice. And 14 inches total length, because nowadays we have big mobiles and all these things, so it's better that it's enough to put the things, but you can reduce the length. And this is the shape you can see here. And now I'm marking the swing allowances, and just let me cut this part for the pocket inside. Hope till here you understand. If any question you can ask me. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's cut it, and I will show you how you can cut this. So from here on the cutting line I'm going to cut it just roughly. You can do the more neat work, but I'm just showing you, so it's okay if it's not even. So after cutting I will show you how you can attach this pocket part on the dress, or you can even use your skirt, and how to attach the zip with the this pocket. Okay, so this is the opening of our pocket. Here you can put your hand. See, this is enough space. 7 inches is enough for this opening. So let me show you how you can attach this with your dress. So guys, this is the dress that I want to insert my pocket, and this is the opening. This is also 7 inches opening, and this is on obviously on the side. So here see, I will take one piece of fabric of this pocket, this is actually two folds, so I will show you how you can put this. So you can see this zip, you can it's better if you use the invisible zipper, but if you want to show this zipper like in contrast colors, so it's okay to use this one. So see, that's the way we have to put is like first we have to put the side of the zipper on the side. So basically there are 3 layers, one of this dress or skirt, whatever you are making, the other is the zip, and the third layer is of your pocket part that will go inside. So first we will attach the one side of the zip. Let me show you. You have to place it like this on the edges, and see, that's how your stitch will come. Pin up it properly, and after that we will turn it inside. So let me just pin up it so you can better understand, and after stitching you can see how we will turn inside. Guys, if you don't subscribe channel, please subscribe to SaliqaMag. So where is my pins? Yeah, here it is. So see, I'm just going to pin up it, and then we will go to the sewing machine to stitch this part. I know this is a little tricky, but when you will do this by your own, you can understand more, and you will say that yeah, it's not that much difficult, but technically yes, but don't worry. So see here on the edge, and you have to feel your zipper while you are stitching, so you can stitch on the very edges of the. So in this way actually you can't see the stitching line on the front of your dress, so no seam will be visible on the right side of your dress. So guys, I'm on my machine now. See, that's how I place my fabric, and I'm using white color thread so you can see clearly, otherwise you have to use the matching thread. I'm using white only because of you guys, so you can see the all stitches clearly. And see, on the starting you have to double lock it, make sure that it's double lock, and start on the very edge, and also feel your zipper here. It should be on very edge of the zipper, so it will give you the more neat finish. And at the end of this stitch also you have to double lock it. So guys, make sure that all the layers are equal, and that's how you will stitch it one part, and at the end you have to double lock it and then remove from the machine. Then I will show you that what is the next step. Okay, so this is the end. On the very edge here you have to double lock it. Okay, so I'm just doing it double lock. That's it. So this is the finish. Now let me show you the result till here, and then we'll show you how you have to proceed for the other side. So just cut the extra threads, and keep in mind that use the same matching thread. Okay, so guys, this is the result of the first stitch. You can see the white thread here. See, this is the stitch that we just got. This is the right side of the fabric. There are 3 layers. Zipper is in between the 2 layers of fabric. Okay, and this is on the right side. On the right side, zipper right side is on the fabric right side, right? Okay, now we have to turn it this way, and at this point press it properly. If you have a steam iron, that is so good option. And see, I just open it now, and now we will place it first the fabric, all fabric will go inside. I'm just placing it inside. Okay, and after turning it all the inside, I'm going to attach the other side of the zipper. So let me show you how you can attach the other side of the zipper. If you feel the tutorial is going a little slow, on the right side of corner you can see 3 marks on the video. From there you can click and increase the speed of the video. This is a tip. Okay, so anyways, just turn all the things inside, and after that I'm going to place the zipper, because beginners want a little slow method, but if you are in advanced level, so maybe you want in a fast mode, so you can increase the video speed. Okay, so see, now you have to place same way the 3 layers. One is fabric, one is zipper, and then the third layer is of fabric, the pocket fabric again. Okay, you can see how I'm attaching this. First is fabric, then zipper, and then again the pocket fabric. Dress, zipper, and the fabric. So basically these are 3 layers, and between 2 layers of fabric our zipper is something like a sandwich. Okay, so let's pin up it all this thing, and then we will move to the stitching part. Make sure that your zipper is equal. If the edges are not equal, I mean the right and left edges are not equal, it will not open and close easily, and obviously the finish will not come perfect. Okay, so just pin up it and then start the stitching part. So guys, you can see how I am attaching this part, these 3 layers. And if you don't subscribe to the SaliqaMag, please subscribe SaliqaMag so you can watch more upcoming videos, tutorials, and especially for beginners, and how to make the patterns of different dresses. You can even ask me if anything you want to learn from me. And see how this is how I'm going to pin it up all the way, 3 layers of fabric. And I know as a beginner it will be a tricky thing for you, but I'm sure you can handle this. So now stitching part. So I just stitch it quickly and let me show you the result. See, that's how it is the inside of the pocket. And see, this is extra, we will cut it later, and that's how it will close. Make sure our fabric is smooth, and pressing is very important at this point. Anyways, cut the extra threads, and see, this is the look from the outside. And if you use the invisible zipper, it will not visible like this, but anyways, make sure that you press it properly to make the edges more smooth. See, that's how it's closing till end. Also cut the thread and make the do the press properly. Okay, so now the next step is to close our pocket. Pocket is open. So see, this is the final look, and after that you can see this is how it's open and close. After that I'm going to close this pocket from the inside, that is still open. See, iron it properly to give it a more neat result. So guys, thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and subscribe SaliqaMag. So let me stitch the inside of the pocket. So this is the inside of the pocket. All the 3 sides are open. See, so 3 sides are open, and the down part is closed because we fold the fabric. So just let me fold it quickly, And at this point, if you have a serger or overlock machine, that is a good option. But otherwise, just fold the fabric inside and press it properly, pin up it, and then go to the stitching. I'm just doing it roughly, but anyways, you have to do the neat work and pin up it properly all the way. You have to stitch it, and see, that's how you have to stitch it to close all the edges. That's why, because we put here the zip. Otherwise, in normal pockets, where first we close these all pocket and then we attach, but in the zipper, because of the zipper, we have to stitch it later. Okay, so just let me stitch this and I will show you the result. See, this is all stitching is done now from up, and this all the way is done. And cut the extra threads and iron it, and after that you can see the result. Cut this extra zipper, no need for extra, and then turn it outside, and see, this is the opening of your, and this is enough pocket. I mean, the size is enough. You can put your mobiles and anything in this. So you can see this, my friend is also you can put here. See, this is this much bigger pocket. I'm just showing you. And if you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family to support SaliqaMag, and subscribe the channel. And let me show you how you can take the measurement for the marking of your, see, from here, this is the waistline, and you can see, you can put your hand on your waist, and you can see at where exactly you want your pocket. So at that point you can mark if you are heighted, or so you can alter according to your preferences. So hope you like this video. Bye bye, take care, subscribe to SaliqaMag.